Привет, everyone! In this video, I, an immigrant with a poor English, will try to start a business in the US with the help of ChatGPT. I'm not sure if it will work, let's find out. My name is Andrew Spicy, I develop websites and do digital marketing. This is my first video in English, so please support me by subscribing to this channel and let's get started. Here we go! I'm sure you have already heard of ChatGPT and how it works. So, it's an AI-based chat from OpenAI. Many YouTubers talk about its superpowers and claim that you can make a lot of money with it, but is it true? Let's test it out and try to create a business using a little bit of creativity and AI technologies. This task becomes even more interesting for us because English is my second language and I'm just starting to immerse myself in American culture. By the way, you can turn on the subtitles for this video and it will be better for you. So, okay, let's start with something simple. Let's say I want to build a website development and outsourcing agency in the US, and let me ask ChatGPT to write a business plan for a website development agency. Let's start. Okay, it creates for us business plan with 8 points. So it's very interesting. I can't say this information is very deep, but it's very interesting and you can start make researches, operations. So it works and this information is not too detailed, but it gives me a general understanding of the market. Okay, let's try asking for more information on how to legally open a company to create a website development agency. Sure, I would like to help you with the steps required to legally open a website. Okay, let's read it. Choose a business name, register your business, obtain necessary licenses and permits, obtain a tax ID number, set up a business bank account, business insurance, comply with employment laws. This information is also not too deep, but it gives me a general information about how it works in US. It's very interesting for me. Okay, as a fresh immigrant, this topic is very confusing to me, but this chatbot can easily help me understand it, how it works in the US. Oh, we forget about name of our future business. Let's ask ChatGPT to create us a business name. Pixel Pioneers, Code Crushers, Web Wizards, Byte Builders, a lot of interesting names. Okay, let's ask him to create me more names with a spicy word. My last name is Spicy and it will be interesting how we'll create a name for agency with a second word spicy. Because originally I have a marketing agency in Europe and the name of this agency is Spicy Media. He starts write ideas for me with a spicy twist. Okay, it shows us a lot of different names, but I need a first word something and the second word should be spicy, like Spicy Solutions. It's very interesting for me to speak in English. Oh, Spicy Genius, Spicy Forge, yes, I like it. Let's use something from this. Spicy Phoenix, Spicy Forge, Spicy Genius. Okay, I think I will choose Spicy Vertex. Our name will be Spicy Vertex LLC. Let's ask ChatGPT, is Spicy Vertex LLC a good name for me? Spicy Vertex LLC is a unique and memorable name for a development agency. The name contains a spicy twist which can make it stand out in the industry. Okay, I like it, we can use it. We have a business plan, we know how to open LLC in California, we have a business name. Let's find a way how to attract our first customers. I will ask ChatGPT and we will check what he will recommend us. Okay, this is the first information. Finding your first customers for website development can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can use to get started. Build a portfolio. Okay, I have a huge portfolio. Okay, the second advice will be tap into your network. The third recommendation is attend networking events. I think I can find some events in Eventbrite or visit Las Vegas and find my first customers here. Use social media. Yeah, I'm already use social media as LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube, as you can see. Offer special promotions. Okay, he showed us a lot of recommendations, but I think it's very difficult to use them right now. Maybe we can find more ways how to find customers easily and right now. There are a lot of ways how to find more customers in California. He sent us a lot of recommendations how we can find first customers. For example, it can be reach out to local businesses. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Attend local events. We already know about it. Use online advertising. I think right now it will be very expensive for me. I tried to do this before and the lead cost will be too high for me. Offer referrals. Okay, it's interesting. Collaborate with other businesses. Yeah, I have a lot of insights because it's very useful recommendations. Publish content, attend job fairs, cold emails outreach, social media and industry conferences. These advice are very useful for me, so I will try to do every recommendation from this list. So let's try to ask him to create for us a content for a website. Let's see. The website could be designed to showcase your expertise in website development, with a focus on unique and creative solutions. Feature a portfolio section, of course, with high-quality images and descriptions for each project. Another idea could be to include a blog section on the website. Okay, it's not very professional information, but we can use it. Let's try to ask him to give me more text for a website. Here we have a big description. I can just copy it and put to the website. We have the common concept. Let's try to ask ChatGPT to create for me a content plan for social media. It's a launch day. We have launched a new website for one of our clients. Check it out. Did you know that we offer custom web application development? Okay, our design team is hard to work. So it's very interesting. I think I can use some of these ideas, make it better and post to my social media. Nice. Let's ask ChatGPT to write me a text for emails. Subject line: Dear first name, are you looking to take your online presence to the next level? Do you want a website that truly reflects your business, personality and values? It's very interesting. I think I can use it. So I have a lot of information how to create a business, how to find my first customers, but I think I need more information how to find the best ways, best channels for attracting my first customers. I hope he will recommend me use something more interesting than referrals and events. I know that there are a lot of channels in US such as Thumbtack, Facebook, Upwork, but CEO, this is a new channel and paid advertising. As we can see, this information is not too deep, but of course I can use some of these channels and we will try to do this in next videos. As you can see, we created a small business and these tips are very helpful to me, but don't completely solve the problem of building a business. I still have to take a bunch of advice and gain experience. Nevertheless, AI is a cool way to gain knowledge if you don't know anything at all. Press like and comment if you like the way I talk about business on ChatGPT, and I will try to do a follow-up video to tell you how I started a business in the US. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.